Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon.
So now students, let us discuss the question answers from poem number 1, A Photograph. Question number 1, what does the word cardboard denote in the poem? And why has this word been used? What does the word cardboard denote in the poem? Answer is, the word cardboard denotes a snapshot or a photograph in the poem. And this word has been used to portray the photographs of two girls and a smiling mother having a beautiful face like a natural scenery. Question number 2, what has the camera captured? The camera has captured the smiling faces of both the girls along with poetess' beautiful mother. And the camera also captured a sea holiday scene, washing away of her mother's transient feet. Then question number 3, what has not changed over the years? Does this suggest something to you? What has not changed over the years? The sea has not changed over the years. Yes, this suggests something to us that human life is transient in nature. At the time of the sea holiday, the poetess mother was quite young, happy, beautiful, but she is no more today. Only her memories remain. So it suggests something to us that everything in this world is transient. Nothing is permanent. Then the fourth question is, the poetess mother laughed at the snapshot. What did this laugh indicate? This laugh indicated that the author's mother would enjoy the sea holiday in her past. So she laughed at the snapshot. Then question number 5. What is the meaning of the line, both rye with the labored ease of loss? So the meaning of this line, both rye with the labored ease of loss, is the poet and the mother are unhappy. At a loss they have trouble. Now, mother misses sea holiday of past. The poetess past is her mother's laughter. It means here both rye. Both here refers for both the persons. Poetess mother as well as poetess herself. Mother misses sea holiday of past and poetess misses her mother's laughter. She had dressed herself nicely near a coast of a sea. She no longer witnessed the laughter that she notices in the snapshot. The poet is at a loss not to have the laughter again. Then question number 6. What does this circumstance refer to? So here this circumstance refers the period since her mother died and she has no snapshots to express her feelings. This circumstance took place years ago. And the last question, the 3 stanzas depict 3 different phases. What are they? The 3 stanzas depict 3 different phases. What are they? So, the very first stanza depicts the youth phase of a person. Author's mother has been appeared a girl of some 12 years with a sweet face in first stanza. Then in second stanza depicts middle age. 30 years later, she could be seen laughing at a snapshot, the sea holiday, and dressing herself beautifully was her past. Then the death phase depicted in the third stanza. In the third phase, the mother is expired and she had been nearly expired when the girls lived. So students, I hope you easily understood the explanation as well as the answers of these questions, and hope that now you will do these short exercise along with the gist of the poem in your register. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching my video.